Hi, Coy Barkau here at Barkau Automotive in Stockton, Illinois. I'm back from college and I just wanted to show you guys on Facebook some of the hottest new pieces of inventory we got. This here is a 2019 Chevrolet Tahoe RST Edition. The RST Edition gets you some cosmetic upgrades like a blacked out grille, blacked out logo, blacked out mirrors, all side trims black, and wheels are black as well. Not only cosmetic upgrades, but also we have a 6.2 liter upgraded V8 engine, which you can, believe me, feel the power difference. As well as some additions on the inside with a sunroof and 9-speaker Bose premium audio system, as well as heads-up display. You can come see this Tahoe in person any day, or as always, shop our inventory online 24/7 at www.barkauautomotive.com. Thank you.